Hello. So, in this demonstration, I will show you all the capability of speech of Azure A Foundry. So we will go on each of these example. We'll start with Voice Live. So with Voice Live here, the first thing is language learning. So chat with Ava, a learning companion who assists students in learning English as a second language. So if I click on it here, I can just say a word here, okay? So if I just start, and let's try it.
Oh, hi, Annette. It's really great to meet you. Let's get to know you better. Can you tell me what's your favorite color?
Yeah, my favorite color is red.
Wow, red is such a vibrant color. Great choice, Annette. Now, let's practice a fun sentence with your favorite color. Can you say,
Okay, okay, go on.
I have a red apple? Can you repeat that, Annette?
I have a red apple.
Amazing job, Annette. That was perfect. Your pronunciation is fantastic. Keep it up. How about we try another one? Say, the red apple is sweet.
The red apple is as white.
Almost there, Annette. Let's try again together. The red apple is sweet.
The
Give it
red,
another.
the red apple is sweet. Okay, so you can see here that I can see also all the chat here. Okay, so this is the first level. Remember that the response instruction as Ava, an English teacher, giving simple, engaging financial English lesson, tone and language, energetic, maintain an enthusiasm, very simple language, encourage and positive, engage introduction, start each session for vibrant and oh hi there, my name is Ava, your English teacher. Respond to student introduction, enthusiasm, maintaining, simple observation, insert conversation, blah blah blah. So let's say now with the customer services. This is something very very nice. Let's start now.
Hello there. I'm Andrew, your friendly travel agent. Ready to plan your next great adventure?
Yep.
Whether you're
I'd like to
fantastic.
find
Do you have
information. Yeah,
Ir-
To go to Paris, please.
Paris is an excellent choice, full of iconic landmarks, art, and cuisine. Are you looking to immerse yourself in the culture, visit museums, enjoy the food, or perhaps
Yes,
all of
yes. Food, please.
wonderful? Paris is a food lover's paradise. You can explore local markets, indulge in pastries.
So in this one, we saw the customer services. This is really very nice if you have a customer services, department. Now, let's do a casual chat.
Hey there. How's it going? I'm Zara. What's on your mind today?
I was thinking about maybe singing a song.
Singing a song? That sounds like a great way to lift the spirits, though I'm more of a talker than a singer. What's your musical taste like?
I like Supertramp.
Supertramp, nice choice. They've got some classic tunes. Breakfast in America and The Logical Song are real standouts. What draws you to their music?
Wow, incredible! I love it. And now you can now create your own voice agent by customizing the speech input generative AI. Okay. Hello.
Hey there. How's it going?
Fine, thank you so much. Okay, here you can have all the response temperature. Okay, so it's the randomness. You have the speech input here. So auto detect the language and the voice activity detection. We can have the end of this is very nice. So detect the end of speaking and stop speech recognition. Currently does not support GPT-4 real time. Okay, so we can do that, for example. Audio enhancement and phrase list. Okay, and kind of speech output with the, of course, the name. So we can say, for example, Davis. If you're not sure about it, you can do like this
You're very welcome.
and see.
That's a fantastic
Hey again, Elizabeth.
That's a fantastic dream. You're very welcome.
That's good, this one. Okay, and speaking rate. So I can do apply now. So this is the voice, and you can have some view code here if you're interested. Okay, so about code in Python, and uh, and see, this is amazing. Okay, so now let's see now video translation.